Whoa! Did you hear that? Those are sounds of animals. Today, we shall study the different kinds of animals. We shall classify them if they are pets. A pet or companion animal is an animal kept primarily for a person's company or entertainment. Pets can give companionship to people who are living alone or elderly adults who do not have adequate social interaction with other people. Just like dog, cat, rabbit, birds, fish, and turtle. Now let's try to identify animals that belong to the group. Which are pets? Dog, cat, rabbit, fish, bird. Good job, kids! Now it's time to answer the pages in your book.